How to change the payment method on Oculus Quest. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in this video I'll simply guide you on how you can change the payment method on Oculus Quest, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to actually change your payment method on Oculus Quest, all you have to do is, first of all, just make sure that you open up the Oculus application. So once you open the Oculus app, just make sure you sign into your Meta account, right? Then after that, tap on the three lines icon from the very bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap the three lines icon, you'll see this type of interface where you have to just basically tap on the settings or this gear icon. And once you go to settings, the app is going to ask you for your location permission, but you don't really need to give that. On the settings page, you'll find the option called payment method. Just tap on it. And then once you tap on payment method, over here you'll be able to see two options: to add a credit or debit card, or to add a PayPal account. So depending upon whatever type of payment method that you actually wish and prefer, just tap on either of these options and then just make sure to enter your card details here, right? So just enter the card details, the CVV, the valid state, the zip and postal code, as well as the state country. And then you can simply add a PayPal account if you want to. Just log into your PayPal account respectively. Once you've done that, your payment method will be successfully changed on Oculus. And that is it on how you can change the payment method on Oculus Quest to buy games and so on. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.